The mission of PMIEF is to enable young people to transform their lives and their communities through project management.
We do that by collaborating with so-called youth-serving non-for-profit organizations. We have now currently 15 youth-serving non-for-profit partners with whom we work.
It is very global in nature, with concrete impact in 88 countries last year.
They learn teamwork, collaboration, planning, budgeting, all skills that they're going to need later in their life.
I'm so happy that the collaboration between F1 in Schools and PMIEF happened. It's core skills that you need to develop.
Our community is defined and united by what we do together. Over 15,000 individual donors contribute to PMIEF each year.
The earlier you can learn these skills, the more productive and successful you'll be in life.
I learned how to be a project manager and a leader of a team.
Last year, 2 million kids have been actually exposed to project management and been able to acquire this very essential life skills.
We'd obviously like to see more donors. We would like to see more people contributing their time, talent, or treasure to the mission of the foundation, and to see our project management community truly support the youth and support the educational foundation.